What's up guys, how you doing? Jay coming at you. Today we have another trick. Now this is the macro mode using the P20 Pro. So I figured out I did it with the Pixel, why not try it with the P20 Pro? Now I'm recording with the Pixel 2. This is the video recording with Pixel 2, so uh, excuse me if you have some pixels going on. Alright, so let's show you the way to do it, the macro. So just go to the night mode in the P20 Pro, click on the maximum 5x, and then focus on the subject, shoot it, and stay stable, and you're gonna get your shot right here. Alright, so let's take a look. Now look at the details. Nice. Now this is as far as, like, it's too far from here. Now if you get it on the gimbal too, you're gonna get a better even details one. But this is how you get a macro shot using the P20 Pro, and it looks really nice, like it's really good. Now let's try to take another picture using zoom from a picture mode and see if we can actually capture the same details. Just giving it a try, you know. Alright, nope, not even close guys, not even close. Look at this, totally different. So yeah, how to do it: night mode, 5x zoom, and then click. You're gonna get it. Now you can actually zoom more than 5, like for example you can do it at 10. See, but it's not gonna give you the right shot because your hand is shaking. You need to have it on the gimbal or have it on stand or something. So let's just try to give it a try, show you guys. Maybe we can do it. Let's try. Nah, didn't work. Yeah, see, too much noise going on here. Nope, you need the gimbal to get it more accurate. Anyways guys, this is how to shoot a macro with the P20 Pro. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys later.